Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More, and today I'll be sharing with you all an exciting challenge and requested by lots of my clients. Yes, 21 days high protein challenge for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in these 21 days very easily. Now this plan or challenge is for all of those who have tried everything for weight loss and no results at all. So this challenge can help you shed those extra kilos very quickly, and as you can see on the screen, my lots of clients performed this challenge and the results were amazingly well. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, or if you want to join my fast track weight loss challenge to help you lose either 15 kg in 60 days or 25 kilos in just 4 months, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or in the description box below there is given a link. Click the link and you will reach out to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So without any, let's get started with 21 days high protein challenge to help you lose 7 kgs in these 21 days very easily.
21 days high protein challenge. So basically we need to make sure every meal of yours in this challenge contains almost 28 to 30 grams of protein no matter what happens. So accordingly this entire plan is created. Starting with the early morning drink. Early morning drink, empty stomach, we need to make sure we are flushing out all the bad toxins from your body very quickly and detoxifying as soon as possible. So I am talking about having a quick fix, which is basically add simple half a lemon squeezed lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. This regulates your pH levels and also starts your body with detoxification process. Have this at least thrice a week to see the magic happening. Second option, you can simply have ajwain jeera water. All I've done here is in approximately 1.5 cups of water I've boiled here ajwain 1 teaspoon and jeera 1 teaspoon, mixing it all well and having it empty stomach. You can also pre-soak ajwain and jeera for major benefits and see the inflammation kicking your body very quickly. So you can have this drink at least twice a week, see the magic yourself. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. Breakfast options again have to be high in protein, great for weight loss and low in carbohydrates as well. So the first option that you can have for your breakfast in this challenge is grilled paneer sandwich. Now I've shared the complete recipe of how I prepare this sandwich. Super easy, super yummy and super creamy as well. All I've done here is taken 2 slices of multigrain bread, paneer which is almost 150 grams. Along with that, of course, we are taking Greek yogurt, ghar ka bana hua mint chutney, cucumber, tomato as per your own choice, and of course simply assemble these all and grill it. Your tasty high protein sandwich is ready. Along with that, you can always have a cup of black tea and black coffee to see the magic of weight loss happening and transform yourself super quickly. So for all the sandwich lovers, this is the recipe. And now second option is for all of those who want to increase their protein intake in this recipe, which is basically change their normal bread with besan chila batter. Now all I've done here is simply I'm using besan chila batter to spread it along in the toaster. Along with that, I'm also preparing paneer stuffing along with that. So stuff your sandwich with this, and this almost contains 22 grams of protein in one sandwich. So make sure to have this in place of your regular sandwich to increase the protein content and see the magic of weight loss happening. Great for weight loss, amazing benefits of your fat loss, and of course along with that have a cup of freshly brewed green tea, peppermint tea, black coffee as per your own choice and enjoy your tasty and delicious breakfast. And now we proceed towards our second option for this diet plan for the breakfast. Mango is in the season, so you can have my personal favorite mango chia bowl. All I have done here is taken 2 big tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Now this is protein yogurt which contains almost 17 to 18 grams of protein into it. Along with that, I'm adding of course mango as much as you can because we love mango, and of course along with that I'm adding here soaked chia seeds. This also is a good source of protein and of course great in omega-3 fatty acids as well. So you can have this combination for your breakfast if you're not comfortable to have sandwiches. And now we proceed towards our mid-morning snack option which comes between our breakfast and lunchtime. For this, you can always consume again a protein snack which is lassi. I've shared the complete recipe of how I like to prepare mint lassi, simply adding 2 big spoons or tablespoons of yogurt. Now this is homemade curd, again high in protein because I've used a high protein milk here which contains almost 30 grams of protein in 450 ml. So you can prepare your own high protein curd. Along with that, of course, I'm adding here mint leaves, black pepper powder and roasted jeera powder. No salt at all into this. Along with that, lots of ice and blending it all together. And your tasty and healthy smoothie kind of a lassi is ready. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we proceed towards our second option for mid-morning snack, which is simple and very efficient. 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts, and of course a cup of freshly brewed green tea. This is again a great combination for weight loss, fat loss, belly fat loss, and to see a good brain development as well. And now we proceed towards our lunch options for this diet plan. For lunch, I'll be giving you again high protein options, great for weight loss but low in carbohydrates. We need to complete near about 25 grams of protein in this also. So I'll be giving you the first option, my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. Green moong dal chila wrap. All I've done here is simply soaked prior green moong dal. You can use any dal of your own choice, be it yellow moong dal as well. Blend it with some green chilies and ginger. Pour the batter on a pan, which is basically a non-stick pan. Along with that, of course, I'm layering it out with some high protein stuffing, which is basically made of paneer, carrots and beetroots. And I've also added a layer of Greek yogurt to make it all saucy. So you can simply have this sheila or this wrap. 2 of these makes you almost 28 grams of protein. So you can have this for your lunch. Along with that, curd, yogurt, raita or mint chutney or coconut chutney as per your own choice, and enjoy your tasty and healthy lunch. Second option is for all of those who cannot have this for lunch, then you can simply have 200 grams of paneer bhurji along with 2 besan chilas. Now this also satiates your entire protein goals, and of course you can always replace your besan chila with either oats roti, or you can also replace it with jawar and jaw roti, but I always recommend to replace your roti with chila because it increases the protein intake and acts just like roti. So you can start having this combination for your lunch. Along with that, make sure to have lots and lots of salad to increase your fiber intake, and of course curd has to be there or yogurt has to be there. It can be homemade, it can be Greek yogurt as per your own choice, but make sure it is there to increase your probiotic content and protein as well. So you can have this combination in place of the wrap and see the weight loss happening. And third option is for all the rice lovers out there. If you love rice and rice is your staple meal choice, then you can always have 100 grams of cooked brown rice with any protein source. It can be chicken curry, egg curry, fish curry, paneer ki sabzi. At the same time, it can also be along with rajma, black chana or white chana, but make sure to add at least 2 boiled eggs along with it, or 100 grams of paneer to increase your protein content. Make sure to always have your plate with fiber, which is salad, and probiotics, which is curd. This wholesome option will definitely give you good weight loss along with rice. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. For this, I'll be giving you again 2 options. You can always have a cup of freshly brewed green tea if you're a green tea lover, or you can simply have black tea, black coffee, or you can have normal chai or coffee without any sugar. So no sugar at all of any kind added to any of your meals. Along with that, you can have 20 grams of roasted makhana, or you can have 20 grams of roasted peanuts, but make sure no salt over it at all. Roast them with some black pepper powder and ghee and have it along with your tea or coffee. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options for this diet plan, which is again a good protein source but great for weight loss. I'm sharing with you a recipe which is super easy to prepare and loved by all of my clients, and this particular recipe contains near about 32 grams of protein. Yes, it's so easy and so convenient to prepare and loved by nearly all of my clients who are soya lovers. Now all I've done here is I've prior boiled soya and roasting this soya along with some corn flour and regular spices. Once all dried up, I'm using here the same pan to roast some onions into this until golden brown, and simply preparing a dip to add to the pan, which is basically made of paneer, almost 100 grams of paneer, added soaked cashews, water for the consistency, and adding this to the pan. And you can see how golden and crispy these all ingredients come up together. Super creamy, super yummy in nature, and trust me, it tastes just like soya makhani and super creamy as well. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Have it as it is, no roti, no rice, no toast, nothing of that sort. You can have almost 200 grams of this and still lose weight. Now we proceed towards our second option for dinner. If you cannot have this, then you can simply consume my personal favorite stir-fried paneer. All I've done here is loading my grilling pan with lots and lots of vegetables. Broccoli, bell peppers, carrot, mushrooms, corns, whatever is available at your place, stuff it up. Along with that, roasting in the same pan some paneer. This is almost 200 grams of paneer. Along with that, of course, pairing it up with some Greek yogurt to give me good amount of protein as well. So this combination again is great for constipation, great for fiber intake, and of course protein intake as well. So do try out this option for your dinner. And now we proceed towards a bedtime drink option, which comes post dinner. Before going to bed, have this drink and see the magic of weight loss yourself. I am talking about 1 cup of fresh brewed chamomile tea. How it works, basically it suppresses your cortisol levels, boosts your metabolic metabolism and also your immune system. So you can have many benefits with just one sip. So do try out to have this tea at least 4 to 5 times a week and see the magic of weight loss and hormonal imbalances correcting as soon as possible. If you cannot have this, then you can simply have again ajwain jeera water, pre-soak it or have it just boiling it right away and have it for your bedtime drink. Again, this proves to reduce your inflammation along with healing properties for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid and diabetes. So do try out these options for your bedtime drink, and of course with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to see the hydration happening and of course to see a clear change in your weight as well. Along with this,
if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306622. Or in the description box below there is given a link. Click the link and you will reach out to me on WhatsApp.
if you love my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query in your diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.